Wake up.
Wake up.
Get up.
Get up.
Stretch.
Stretch.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth.
Wash face.
Wash face.
Comb hair.
Comb hair.
Take a shower.
Take a shower.
Use soap.
Use soap.
Use shampoo.
Use shampoo.
Dry with towel.
Dry with towel.
Get dressed.
Get dressed.
Wear uniform.
Wear uniform.
Put on shoes.
Put on shoes.
Have breakfast.
Have breakfast.
Drink tea.
Drink tea.
Drink coffee.
Drink coffee.
Pack bag.
Pack bag.
Leave home.
Leave home.
Catch the bus.
Catch the bus.
Go to school.
Go to school.
Go to work.
Go to work.
Drive car.
Drive car.
Ride bike.
Ride bike.
Attend class.
Attend class.
Read book.
Read book.
Take notes.
Take notes.
Listen to teacher.
Listen to teacher.
Write homework.
Write homework.
Do classwork.
Do classwork.
Use computer.
Use computer.
Check email.
Check email.
Answer phone.
Answer phone.
Have meeting.
Have meeting.
Talk to friends.
Talk to friends.
Work on project.
Work on project.
Eat lunch.
Eat lunch.
Drink water.
Drink water.
Visit library.
Visit library.
Play games.
Play games.
Study lessons.
Study lessons.
Do exercise.
Do exercise.
Go jogging.
Go jogging.
Do yoga.
Do yoga.
Lift weights.
Lift weights.
Play sports.
Play sports.
Watch TV.
Watch TV.
Listen to music.
Listen to music.
Use mobile.
Use mobile.
Browse internet.
Browse internet.
Chat online.
Chat online.
Cook food.
Cook food.
Cut vegetables.
Cut vegetables.
Make tea.
Make tea.
Wash dishes.
Wash dishes.
Clean table.
Clean table.
Sweep floor.
Sweep floor.
Mop floor.
Mop floor.
Do laundry.
Do laundry.
Fold clothes.
Fold clothes.
Iron clothes.
Iron clothes.
Feed pets.
Feed pets.
Water plants.
Water plants.
Go shopping.
Go shopping.
Buy groceries.
Buy groceries.
Pay bills.
Pay bills.
Go to market.
Go to market.
Cook dinner.
Cook dinner.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Have dinner.
Have dinner.
Wash hands.
Wash hands.
Help children.
Help children.
Check homework.
Check homework.
Tell a story.
Tell a story.
Make phone call.
Make phone call.
Check messages.
Check messages.
Reply messages.
Reply messages.
Take medicine.
Take medicine.
Visit doctor.
Visit doctor.
Rest in bed.
Rest in bed.
Drink milk.
Drink milk.
Go for a walk.
Go for a walk.
Ride bicycle.
Ride bicycle.
Drive scooter.
Drive scooter.
Fill petrol.
Fill petrol.
Check news.
Check news.
Read newspaper.
Read newspaper.
Write diary.
Write diary.
Say prayers.
Say prayers.
Relax.
Relax.
Brush teeth.
Brush teeth. Night.
Change clothes.
Change clothes.
Set alarm.
Set alarm.
Switch off lights.
Switch off lights.
Lie in bed.
Lie in bed.
Think about day.
Think about day.
Close eyes.
Close eyes.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Dream.
Dream.
Wake up again.
Wake up again.